To send fireworks in iMessage on iOS, all you have to do is firstly unlock your iPhone and open the Messages app on your iPhone. Then simply start a new message or open an existing conversation. Now, once you're inside the conversation, simply tap on the message icon available there and type down any message. So here you can see I'm typing down hello. You can type down anything. So now before sending it, long press on the send icon available there. Then on the top you can see screen option available. Tap on the screen tab. Now all you have to do is swipe left until you see the fireworks effect. You can see many effect option available there. Simply swipe left until you see the fireworks. Now here you can find it. Now all you have to do is tap on the blue send button to send your message with fireworks. You can also trigger fireworks automatically by sending Happy New Year in any languages. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.